Hey there, I'm Danielle, web and graphic designer bringing you tech tips and tutorials to help you stand out from the crowd. Being productive and working efficiently is incredibly important. The more you can get done in less time means you can do so many more things. There's a ton of ways that you can work on being more productive, but this one tip is my favorite way to help with your productivity efforts. So this magical productivity tip is keeping everything in one or as few places as possible. Remember the old saying, keep it simple, stupid? Oddly, this applies here. The fewer places you have to go searching for things means the more efficient, productive, and fast you are. So I'd like you to picture two scenarios for me. You were in the middle of writing a blog post, and you had it saved in Dropbox. You had to step away for a while, and when you came back to it, you went looking for it in Google Drive. But you've now misplaced your password for Google Drive, so you now waste 30 minutes looking for your password, recovering it, and figuring out how to get back into it, only to discover that it's not there, and that it was in Dropbox the whole time. Scenario B. You're working on drafting a blog post. You have to step away for a while, so you save, and when you return to it later, you know that everything is saved into Google Drive, so you quickly pick back up where you left off and have no stress or time wasted in the process. I think I know which one I prefer. Stress-free is always the good thing. So the next time you think about where you're going to be storing something, anything from blog posts to pictures to passwords, think about it and think about one place you can keep it all. It's okay if you try multiple locations to find out which one you like, but as you go through and try them, make sure to move everything over from one to the next, because the last thing you want is to have information stored in 4 places. That would be a nightmare. So keep one and leave it there. Don't forget to subscribe down below for new videos every Thursday at 9 a.m. Central. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.